Hello guys and welcome back to a new video with me, and today's video is very different. Actually, it was an experiment which I want to apply on myself, but I also wanted to share it with y'all. So this is the purpose of today's video, and mind the noise because it's puja time, Durga puja, and everywhere there's pandals and all, so you'll get a little bit of noise near my house because in our society there's a huge big pandal made, and अभी से स्टार्ट हो जाता है सब कुछ. So you have seen I'm getting acne recently, but अभी बहुत सारे acne dry हो चुके हैं. So I don't need to put a background music as music already बज रही है. And what I'm going to do is today is I'm going to shave. Very new to me, first time, and I really wanted to share this with y'all. I'm really very excited, इसीलिए मैंने already फाड़ दिया है पैकेट. तो I read a lot of things about face shaving, and recently I can't go out for waxing or threading or anything because of the situation. Like, I'm really not able to trust the salon guys, so I felt to do it at home, and I'm gonna be using this Vega razors, face razors, and I'll show you guys. An amazing thing of it is they have a cap and you can hear the click sound when it gets locked. So बेफिक्र रहो, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी ऐसे पकड़ ले निकल जाएगा. You get the sound before ये निकले. So I'm going to record the whole thing in front of y'all, and the मौसम is very nice. Y'all can see the sudden lightning because बादल clear हो रहे हैं, शायद बारिश होगा. तो I'll show you step by step. So first what I need to do is I need to put this hairband ताकि मेरे ये hairs मुंह के सामने ना आ जाए and shave ना हो जाए. So I need to put this. This is also quite very tough. I really wanted to chop my hair even, but I couldn't do that. So after doing this, I'll wipe my face with this wipes. I have done a face wash, but still I'm not taking any risk because it's my first time, and ऐसे ही सर के ऊपर कुछ कुछ निकले हुए हैं महाजनों. अब ये सारे कुछ होने के बाद डोंट माइंड, मैं ये ऐसे कपड़े पहन के हूँ क्योंकि गंदे हो जाएंगे तो फिर मुझे पड़ जाएगी अच्छे से. सो नाउ आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस एलोवेरा जेल, कि आप अगर कुछ जेल टाइप्स लगा लो तो वो ज़्यादा स्मूथ जाते हैं. सो आई केम टू नो दिस, आई एम यूजिंग दिस एलोवेरा जेल. या ये भी भूल गई मैं लगाना. इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी बट मैं लगा लेती हूँ. इट्स माई लिप स्क्रब बाय नायका. फेस इज गेटिंग ड्राई. आई नीड टू अप्लाई द एलोवेरा जेल अगेन. शिट, ये क्या होता है? ऐसे होता है क्या? मैं प्रो नहीं हूँ इसमें. बहुत सारे लगाने पड़ते हैं क्या एलोवेरा जेल? बहुत थोड़ा ले लेती हूँ यार, फिर पूरा एकदम ये करना पड़ जाएगा. अब तो आई होप सही से हो जाएगा. So I'm done. See, I'll show you the amount of, I don't know what it is, kachda, hair or whatever it is. This is the thing which came out of my pretty face. I'll again take a wipe and I'll again wipe my face properly. So I feel wiping is still not enough. I'll wash my face and I'll come back to you and I'll show you how do I look after the face wash. So guys, now I washed my face with my face wash which my dermatologist recommended. Now at least my skin feels soft. That little bit razor touch was there when I was washing my face, but after my face wash it was nice and smooth. So I basically thought to put a face pack because I don't know, I am using it for the first time and I really don't want to make my face look nothing bad during this puja time. Using the Multani Mitti face pack, I'll let it rest for some times and then I'll wash my face and I'll come back to you again. So the razor which I was using is from Vega and I brought it from a shop nearby me, and the MRP over here is written 110, but he costed me around 93-92 rupees. And I really was excited to buy the razor from Amazon from the brand Tinkle, but then I thought actually then I went to the market yesterday and then I thought why not I get it something from here and not order from Amazon and then wait for it. This is my Multani Mitti, the pure one from a Ayurvedic store. It is the Dabur ka Gulab Jal and I've stored it in the spray bottle because it's easier to use, and I'll spray this and then I'll mix the Multani Mitti with the same Gulab Jal. Instant Multani Mitti face pack is ready and I will not wipe my face. I'll just use it over here this way only. So guys, my pack was dried and I had some work, so I couldn't show you the pack getting dried. I washed my face. I will again pat dry it. So this is the condition of my face. If you're feeling it's looking very weird, it's not looking very weird. I guess my camera is functioning something wrong because these small marks are of my acne. ये तो रहेंगे ही. And I'll spray this gulab gel over my face again and I'll leave it like this. If you all enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. The band which I'm using right now, you might have a question. It's from Miniso. I didn't purchased it online. I purchased it manually by going to the store. So if I get link of any of these things which I have used, the gulab jal, the multani mitti and the razor or the hairband, I'll surely give the link in my description box. Till then, take care, bye bye, be safe.